Hello everybody, this is PillarTrading.com, and today's chart of the day we are going to be going over the E-mini S&P 500 Index Futures, the big one, the ES contract. Before we get started on this chart, let's do a quick reminder. Stop by the website www.pillartrading.com if you've got any questions or comments about this chart or any of the other charts that we go over. There's a lot of information there. We try and get to your questions as soon as we can. Looking at this chart, we're going to be starting with the weekly chart, and the important levels to be looking at are at this 1125 price area and this 1230 price area. This is our short range. This is where the long-term bears have been looking to knock this market down for the past 9 months. Okay, this level first traded back at the end of December 09. It's since traded up into its resistance area, and then we had a sell-off. And this 1125 area is going to be very important on the daily chart when we knock it down a level and take a look at the daily chart. But for right now, know that this has a target all the way down. This move that people are selling into has a target all the way down at 450s. Now, as unrealistic as that sounds, that is what the chart and that is what the trade is telling us. So we have to remember that as we move down in the time frames. We have to remember that the overall picture right now on the ES is pointing to the downside. Now let's take this down another level and let's take a look at the daily chart. What's happening for our midterm trades? Okay, so now what we are looking at is the daily chart, and off of here you can see we have drawn up this 1125 area level. It's still up there, that red line. Keep that in mind. What has happened is we have seen a sell-off after hitting these 12, 16, 75 highs. We've seen a sell-off all the way down to these 102s. Okay, that is our range. Now what's happened in between there is we've had, after this brief sell-off, we've drawn from highs to lows. That's given us this resistance area. This midterm resistance area, which starts at 1126, lines up with that huge resistance level on the weekly charts. So now you've got a level that multiple traders are looking to get in at for different reasons. One is seeing the long-term trade. The other is seeing the midterm trade, which you can see. Price immediately respected that level. We sold off all the way down to 1002. Now at 1002, that was just above our 995 expectancy on this target, okay? 7 points off of that target being hit. Unfortunately, it didn't get all the way down there. We saw a retracement. And what happened in that retracement was we had a move to the upside that came down into its buy support area, and we saw a move to the upside work out. Now, what was interesting is this move to the upside had a target directly at this sell point again. So again, we see 1126 as a huge area of resistance. So you not only had people looking to initiate short positions, you also had midterm day traders getting out of their long position, so taking profit at that area. So they were also selling at this level. That's provided enough resistance to push us back down. And you can see drawn up here, we had the halfway back from lows to highs all the way up. And you can see that we've broken out of that. We can now get rid of that. So what we have here setting up is after this move to the upside, okay, we've broken out of this short, this day short. Now what we can expect is we can expect to draw from lows to highs here. And if you see this 50% pullback area right here, okay, I'm going to draw that line in. That area has a target right back up at 1126. So we're looking at 1071 has got a target all the way back up at 1126. So that's going to be an important play on the daily charts on that midterm trend. If we go down even further, we can see exactly what's happening on our tradable levels. What has happened is in this most recent trade, we saw a bounce off of a support level. Okay, it did go into that area, but it then respected the move, and we are climbing up towards 1108.75s. We've gotten as high as 1107.25s. So that target has not been hit. That is the trade that is currently playing out right now. So anticipate a target being hit up here at 1108.75. After that, just draw the next move up and continue to follow this thing. As soon as it breaks the long trade, so as soon as one of these trades to the upside doesn't work out, that's when we can expect to come all the way back to that level we were talking about on the daily chart, okay? That's when we can come back all the way to that 1171, or 1071, sorry. This line here, this 1071 line, that is the full retracement that will lead us right back up into those 1126s. So a couple of different plays on this chart today, guys. A couple of different moves. Continue to play this short-term trend to the upside until we do get a breakdown, and then anticipate that 1071 level, seeing a bounce if we are going to make it back up into that huge short. If not, shorts moving down on the daily chart. That's it. That's the play for today, guys. If you've got any questions, again, www.pillartrading.com. Leave us a question, leave us a comment, and we will get to those as soon as we can. If not, hopefully everyone has a good trading day, and I will see you all in the next video.